I saw these LCD displays on AliExpress, thought I'd get a couple, have a play, see what they were like. Came fairly quickly. They're about £2.50 each. SPI interface, but as you'll see in a minute, it's not particularly clear what gets connected where. So a big shout out to another YouTube user who put an excellent video up. I'll share his details below in the comments, so please check out his website. He actually did this ESP32. I decided to use the ESP8266 dev board because it's 3.3 volts, which is what this runs on. Soldered a few pins up. You don't need all of these pins, I'll show you that in a minute or two. Yeah, excuse the scruffy wiring, but it was just a test to see if I could get it working. Not a lot of information available on the internet on these, so that original video was really useful. So yeah, credit where it's due. Please do check out his website. Nice little screen, this one, with black background. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.